Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 8th of March 2019 and I am going to start today's discussion right from Euro USD. Okay guys, I am going to take you towards the signals report so that we can explain the signals for today. So Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 112066 and 112685 was the targeted price, and guys you can see a significant upward trend on Euro USD and the market is just moving up, and it has not touched the targeted price, but overall it has went up from our entry. So overall those subscribers who have taken the buy positions, they must have ended with profits. Okay guys, the second signal hit as per the signals report is New Zealand USD. A clear bullish prediction was supplied from 067667 and 067939 was the targeted price, and guys you can see I have given the targeted price so high because I was expecting the high upward trend, and you can see we have seen a very strong upward move on New Zealand USD and it has even went beyond the barriers of the targeted price. Okay, we have seen the drop on Great Britain Pound USD today, and this is the third signal that hit consecutively as per the signals report. 130879 was the entry and 129859 was the targeted price. However, you can see within a single candle we have seen a big drop on Great Britain Pound AUD. So if you have taken the sell positions today, then you must have collected the profits on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF, which is just on to the way, and with the bearish expectation from 100892 and 100350 is the target price. However, the bearish pattern is already started, and within the 3 hours the market has gone down. So if you have taken the sell positions right from here, then it must have given the profit, but if it continues the drop like this, then it can reach to 100350. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar, which was very strong from many days, but today 200 Forex Clips has predicted the downward trend on this pair. 134476 was the entry and 133895 was the target price. And guys, it's just changed the line here. Okay, but if you look at here, it exactly hit the target price. Within the single hour we have a big drop on USD Canadian dollar that hit our target price, so that signal was also expired. At last, I am going to talk about AUDJPY, and this is the last signal of my signals report. I have supplied the clear bullish trend in case of AUDJPY from 77934 and 78639 was the target price, and guys you can see the market has went almost near to the target price with the bullish pattern, and hopefully you must have enjoyed this trade. Okay, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system, that how to use it. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it is making the bearish pattern, and you can sell the pair, and also look, the scalper has pointed you with a sell arrow in the form of red arrow. At the top red boundary the market is down, and whenever you see that the market has making the bullish pattern from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair, and look how sweetly Euro USD has went up, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.